Definitely have to remove the 2 screws. One is here, and the other one is here through the tracks. Now comes the fun part, to try to get the old wire back through this. So I think I'm gonna have to loosen the back and try to go it that way, and we'll see how that works out. When you get your parts from replacements, you'll notice that on the bungee, the original, there's a screw with a little loop that holds it in place to lock into the back brace, which I took off, which is behind this. So ensure that you're able to take it off the new piece that comes in, because there's no screw on it. So you're gonna have to undo the loop, slide the screw eyelet through, and then put it back in place, because it doesn't come with it from Mariner Sales. I bought this at Mariner Sales. Here's the tag. I'll put it in the description, but here's the tag, so that comes with it. So I will keep you updated on how to move forward with this. So make sure that the replacement part does not come with the eyelet for the screw. So you need to take off the new part, untie this loop, and retie it again. As you can see, I've secured the strap again, and also reran the screw back so it can be mounted back on through the bracket. And just slide it through. I ran the screw through. Now I'm securing the back end. Going over tighten, of course. And then I'll secure the second screw by moving this forward and getting access to the hole again. Just move the track forward and secure the second screw. Sure you don't over tighten so you don't strip it. All right, so now we got both screws in. So now we're ready to go for the fun part, which is running the cable through. Cut off the cable, as you can see. So now I'm ready to start feeding it through to the back end. One thing that's missing is the little holder in the back end to ensure that it doesn't pop out. So I may have to find out how I'm going to get a hold of that piece, but I'm going to try to start feeding it through and see how lucky I am with that. I'm putting like 10-pound braid to be able to fish it through, because I tried tape. Tape is too thick. I'm going to try to fish it through using braid, trying to secure it as best as I can so I can move it through the lines. So this is the best thing I could think of, because I don't have a fish to be able to fish it through. So I will do the best I can with what I got, and hopefully this will work out just fine. Here we go. Start feeding it through. Let's see what happens. We should try to feed it through. The entrance. front end's a little frayed, so that's giving me some grief. Let's see what we can get it. Let's see if we can get it done, no matter what. Okay, let's not pull through. So far, so good. Success. I got it through.
Okay.
Got it through successfully. And as you can see, this is the terminator that's missing from the kit. So, I mean, I'm gonna have to go somewhere and find out where I can get this terminator to clamp onto the cable. It just feeds right through and it comes right out. So now I got everything going, everything went through. Big time saver. The braid really helped. It was 10-pound braid. And that really made life a lot easier to feed through. So now I'm gonna remove the string, the braid from the end and feed it through the first coupler. And then we'll get back to it again. Okay, let me see. Okay guys, I purchased 3 C-Fit copper Swage. The part number from Marine is 2684256. They're copper. I installed 3 of those and then I crimped the ends and now this thing works just perfectly. So just wanted to give you a heads up that it does work. I did test out the pedals and it works